Hey everyone, in today's Adobe Premiere video, I want to show you how to crop videos inside of Premiere. I want to show you two different ways. One is just cropping the video for creating split screen or picture-in-picture or using it for green screen. And the other one, which most people use, is cropping a video or resizing it to change it for a whole different size. So let's say you're taking a 16:9 video and you want to make it vertical or square. You could use a cropping method that way too. I'll show you both right now. If you don't have the latest version of Premiere, I always have a free trial link in the description below this video so you could follow along. Let's jump in here. So the very first way to crop a video is just go ahead and look over here and find the effects window. Just find this over here. If you don't see it, go to Windows and make sure effects is turned on and look for the effect crop. I'll show you this first. Then you just drag it from here and drop it on top of your video clip. And then this effect control, look up for effects control up here. Let me go ahead and make it a little bit larger here. And this is your effects panel. This is really easy to use. You just grab this, and if you go this way, you crop left. If you go this way, you crop from the top. And then if you go right, you crop from the right and bottom from the bottom. That's all you do here. Then there's this option to zoom, but it just doesn't really work very well, so I never use that option. And then you could feather the edges, and you get this kind of effect. If you want to use that, that's available to you. I'll leave this on 0. And these black areas that you see on the left and the right side, that's basically the video under your main video. Right now, there's no video, so it's showing black. But if I move this up to another layer here, and if I add, let's say, a clip underneath that, I'll bring this over just to show you what happens. This is a great way, for example, to show videos on top of videos or do this kind of split screen. Now I could select the video I cropped, and I could come on the left side here and move the position, maybe place this here, and then select the other video and move that over there. So it's a nice way to basically do a split screen or picture-in-picture effect using the crop technique. Now, another way to crop is, let's say the 16:9 video needs to be in square format. Let's say I want to go to Instagram with it, for example. What we want to do in that case is we're going to create a new sequence. Go to File, New, and Sequence, and then go to the settings over here so you could custom set a new sequence. I'm going to change this edit mode all the way up here to custom, go all the way up to custom, and put in your own size. So 1080 by 1080 is square. I'll go ahead and create a new square sequence. So now a new sequence has been created here. Now I'm going to go back to the other edited sequence over here on my projects panel, which is this sequence. I could drag this sequence and bring it into the sequence I just made, putting a sequence inside of a sequence. I'm going to keep the existing settings here. And let me just go here. You put that sequence, the edited sequence, into my square format. So now to basically crop it to size, I just have to play with scale. I'm going to scale it down here. There we go. And I'm going to move it over right to the center. And there we go. Now I could export this and it's going to be in square format, and all the cropping took place just by using the resize position and scale window here. Or I could just kind of shrink it down and still make it this size and put titles on the top and bottom here, just using text. And then if I go to File and Export and choose Media here, it's going to let me export this in 1080 by 1080 in the square format. So that's another way to crop to different sizes if you already created your video in a different size. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see other things related to Premiere and filmmaking. I make these type of videos every single week on this channel, and I hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.